Hi guys, and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. So in today's video tutorial, I will show you how to replace the H7 headlight light bulb for a Peugeot 208. So as you can see, this headlight bulb is not working. Remove this cover. If your headlight bulb is blown on the other side of where the fuse box is, it's a bit more fiddly due to limited space. Now there's a plastic thing in there. You need to pull it out, one finger underneath and one finger on top, and wiggle it out or pull it out. This is it. I've already taken it out. So can you see how the connectors go? One up, one down. So this is the light bulb, H7 headlight light bulb, and it has to go exactly like this, so upright. As you can see, this is the blown headlight bulb. And this is the replacement one. This is the blown one. I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly what's wrong with it. Can you see that little thread there? That little string thread is missing. So the replacement one, you have to make sure it's like this. So you're going to slot it in exactly like this. Can you see? That little tip bit there has to be upright. So 180 degrees. This bit here has to be facing up. And just make sure you put it straight in, and that little tip bit is facing upwards. I will show you. Exactly like this. This connector here, you have to put it in just like this. Make sure when you pull off this plastic bit, you do not touch the wires, otherwise you're gonna have big problems. So just grab it on each side, one finger on the top and another finger at the bottom, and pull like this. So to recap, just like this, or apply pressure when pulling it out and wiggle the plastic connector out. See, it's working now. Light bulb is on. Both sides are looking good. It is highly recommended to change both H7 headlight bulbs, but in this instance I'm just changing one. Now, and then you just put the cap back in, and that's it, job done. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Au revoir.